Duluth, Minnesota. An ATV rider wanders onto thin ice and plunges into the frozen St. Louis River. Using his Leatherman as an ice pick, he claws his way to safety. Orem, Utah. Emergency room workers' attempts to help a patient have failed. The hospital's medical cutters are discarded, and a Leatherman is used to cut a shingle and metal staple from the patient's hand. Dillingham, Alaska. A small plane's landing gear is jammed and fuel is running low. With no other options, the pilot uses his Leatherman to pry open a panel and repair the gear. For more than 25 years, Leatherman tools have been helping everyday people deal with expected and unexpected jobs and situations. But now, there's a tool for the men and women who face the unexpected every day. It's here, the Leatherman Mutt, created for those who deal with the unexpected on a very regular basis.